guys, I hope you're all well and safe. Today I'm back with a new video, and today's video is a vlog. In this video you see me get my hair done, make some lunch, a few things that I've bought recently, so it's just a bit of everything, I guess. If you'd like to see more, please carry on watching and don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So the day before I got my hair done, which was Tuesday, I prepped my hair just for my braids. I do the rice water treatment every week just to grow my hair, and that's been really good for me, and I've really seen a difference in my hair. On this occasion I tried out the apple cider vinegar rinse. I saw this on Only Bells' Instagram and I was like, okay, I need to try this. And as you can see, I had my face mask on as well. It's those days for self-care. Do my hair, do my face, everything. This is the mask that I had on. I've been using this mask for hyperpigmentation. Hey guys, so I'm actually gonna go and do my hair now. This is my finished look. I can't wait to actually do my hair. Taxi's outside, so I need to get moving. I'll see you when I get there. And guys, this was the first time meeting Rena. She was so nice, especially for the first time meeting. We literally sat there watching loads of comedy, like Nigerian movies and stuff like that. Her work is just so neat. If you do go and get your hair done by her, definitely tell her that I sent you there. Guys, I love it. I've not had braids in so long. I definitely feel like I'm going to be doing braids a lot more often, especially now that I found someone that does it well and that is affordable as well. And these are the knotless braids. Sorry that I've not got it down, but this is my styling today. Super tired. Yeah, that's why I didn't even vlog the day I got my hair done, because I was so tired, sat in the chair for hours, and I was hungry. So by the time it got to me trying to film, it just wasn't it. So that's why I'm recording today. And I also got some stuff in the post. Please show you that. Last week, I think, I made an order on Hidden Fashion, and guys, when I tell you like these online businesses are really stalking us. This brand came up on my Instagram story, and I don't even remember what I saw, but I still clicked on it because I think there was obviously a discount. I did see these tops, guys. This is one of the tops I've actually got on, and I bought the same top in like 5 or 6 different colours. And when I tell you the price, yeah, guys, I'm the plug. So these tops are called the ribbed cotton vest top, and they're just so nice. And the original price is £6, but on offer I got it for £1.25. Yeah, you had that. Guys, the quality for the price that I bought them for is amazing. It's very thick ribbed fabric. It's not cheap ribbed fabric at all. I bought 7 of these vest tops and it's the same style, just in different colors. Let me just get one out to show you. The neckline of it is not a low neckline, and I love the fact that the armholes aren't low. With low armholes, the side of your bra tends to show, which I don't like. You just need a pair of jeans. You've got tops for the whole week. £6 for the actual top itself is good, just because the quality is good, and I would pay £6 for this. So that's the t-shirts that I bought recently. So another thing that I got in the post, which I actually wasn't expecting, which was so cute to get, was from Aronse Cosmetics, and it was the liquid lipstick. And guys, the colors are so pretty, and the quality, I just really love this brand, and they're a black owned brand, so definitely make sure you check them out. The quality of their lip products is amazing, and then the pigmentation of their palette, guys, I can't wait for them to bring out so many more products. They're just a really nice company, which I really appreciate. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do as well, because that's where I post my makeup videos. So this is Saint-Tropez. I'm gonna try. Fiji is such a pretty colour. I just love it. And then this is LA. Saint-Tropez, Fiji and LA. This really quickly turned into what I've been buying recently and loving, and that's okay. So I decided to buy the Beats earphones for a long time now, so I was like, yeah, let me treat myself. That's the thing about me, when I want something, I have to make sure I get it. They're magnetic. Then I went back to skincare. Long story short, I had to top up on my lactic acid. This is it. And then I went ahead and bought the Azaelic acid suspension 10%. Just googled the benefits of this. Once my skin has cleared up, I'll definitely do an in-depth video on my skincare routine and how I cleared up my hyperpigmentation. And I also bought the vitamin C suspension. Today is the 3rd day of vlogging, and I just cooked some lunch. But today's just going to be a day for editing and just getting stuff done. If you enjoy this vlog, definitely let me know your thoughts and what types of videos that you want to see as well. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.